Some friends ask me, can you recommend and do some comparisons of a drawing pencil charcoals? If I don't have a set of the drawing tools, what should I choose? Okay, now I have two sets side by side over here. One set is from Artisa. This is 33 pieces drawing set. And this one is 41 pieces of drawing set from Magicfly. Let's look inside one by one. The package looks very interesting, very nice. It has 16 sheets of drawing paper. On this side, it has 12 graphite pencils, starting from 5H, 4H, 3H, 2H, HB, B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 8B. On the other side, it has a woodless soft graphite pencil. It has charcoal soft, charcoal pencil medium, and charcoal pencil hard, pastel pencil, black, sapphire, a red brown. For pastel color, this is great, pastel. Paper stump for blending, and has a pencil extension. Sandpaper, when you take this out, sharpen that a little more, and you can use the sandpaper to do that. On this side has charcoal sticks, soft, medium, and hard. And here it has 3 pieces of graphite stick, willow charcoal, 4 pieces, plastic eraser is a white, and this one is nitty eraser. And we're going to talk about how to use those erasers. And this one is a plastic case, pencil sharpener. And this one is a metal case, pencil sharpener. Has one is for small, one is for bigger pencil. This set is coming from Magicfly. This set coming from Artisa. Professional quality is 4H to 14B. On this set, stop at 8B. So let's take a look at inside. You need to open this so you can see. It has from 4H, 3H, 2H, H, and has a pencil F, and then HB, B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8B. That's all graphite pencil here. And plus over here, 9B, 10B, 12B, 14B. Usually, it's not easy to get, but this has become part of the set. This is very nice. And for the woodless graphite pencil, it has 2, not 1. And one is 4B, one is 6B. It's a woodless pencil. It's very nice. It has a white charcoal pencil. Also here it has black charcoal pencil. Has soft, medium, and hard. And also include inconic pen. Let's test it. Very nice writing for you to do sketches. And this one has a brush. And the other side has a precision eraser. It's like a very small tip. Bending stump has 3 sizes. It also has a knife. This knife looks very nice. Take it out over here. You can get the replacement. When it's dull, just replace it with a new one. Okay. That's good. And a metal case, pencil sharpener. It has a nitty eraser and plastic eraser. Compare these two sets. Let's do a little side-by-side comparison. This set from Magicfly, it has less graphite pencil. It has pastel pencil. It has willow charcoal, the compressed charcoal sticks, the graphite sticks, pencil extender. There's some very common drawing tools. Like if you use it for college, that's probably good. But if you focus mostly graphite drawing, and this provides a lot more variety over here. The woodless pencil has 4B and a 6B. Over here only have one 6B. Precision eraser, and also has a pen. Which one you're going to choose? It's totally up to what you need. Let's compare the price. The price for this one is $42.69. Original price is $60. How about this one? This one is $36.99. If you use the link in my video description, you can buy it with 10% discount. In the following drawing lessons, some lessons I'm going to use this set, and some lessons I'm going to use this set. And I will let you know which set that I'm using for that drawing.